everyone, and welcome to day 16 of the Love Inspires 21-Day Challenge. How did your 5 minutes of writing go yesterday? How is replacing negative self-talk with positive self-talk going? Are you reacting from a place of love or just reacting? Are there some things you wish you could take back? Are there some things you wish you didn't say or do from your past? We all have those. Today is the new moon. A new beginning, a rebirth, out with the old, in with the new. This is a perfect time to let go of all of the negativity and darkness that you no longer need. A perfect time to let go and forgive yourself for things that you want to forgive. Your challenge for day 16 is to forgive yourself for at least one thing that you have not been able to forgive yourself for.
All you need to do is write down things you want to let go of, forgive yourself for, and then burn them in a safe place like the sink, a pot, or a fire pit if you have one. As the list burns, visualize these things that have been holding you down, dissolving into flames, being released into the universe and being purified and making space inside of you for more light, peace, and love. This is not an overnight solution for some of us, as we've been holding on to these feelings for so long, but it will definitely be a step towards making more space inside for more positive emotions.
Please like the video and share with anyone you think might benefit from this 21-day challenge to reframing and thriving during this quarantine. Please join me in a loving, healing meditation to ourselves and everyone in the world. Please close your eyes.
Take a few slow, cleansing, healing, and loving breaths. Slowly breathe in a clean, fresh, cleansing air and breathe out all the negativity, anger, pain, fear, and all that no longer serves you. Now imagine sending love, peace, hugs, and healing to your entire family, your friends, to your co-workers, to your boss, to your employees, to all of the people in essential jobs such as medical personnel, to people who work in stores so we can buy essential things, to those who deliver your mail, your groceries, your packages, to police officers, firefighters, teachers, news reporters, government personnel, and anyone else who still goes to work outside of their home. Now continue to send the love and hugs to people whose feelings you may have hurt in the past. Just send them loving and healing thoughts and energy. Now send the same love and healing energy to the people who have hurt you and have caused you harm. And continue to just surround the entire world with loving, positive, and healing energy. And visualize the earth and everyone in it get enveloped with your love and healing, which grows bigger and more loving with each person it touches. As your love and healing covers the world, making a full circle, it gets back to you magnified. As it comes back to you, enveloping you in hugs, peace, love, and healing. Just feel what that feels like. Feel the warm hug of love in every cell in your body. Feel the peace, love, and healing. Take a deep cleansing breath in and exhale all the negativity and darkness that no longer serves you. Breathe in clean, fresh, healing, and loving white light into every cell of your body, and breathe out from every cell all of the anger, pain, fear, all of the negativity, and all that no longer serves you. Take one more cleansing breath, filling every cell with love, peace, healing, and breathe out all of the negativity, pain, anger, fear, and all that no longer serves you. Now slowly open your eyes.
I hope you feel more uplifted and your heart filled with love and positivity. Thank you so much for taking on this 21-day challenge with me. Have a love-inspired day.